on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, the bells will ring, the snowy birds will dance and sing. With twinkling lights and joy so bright, the world feels cozy, warm and right. The stockings hang near fires glow, outside the rooftops shine with snow. The cookies wait on plates so neat for Santa Claus and reindeer feet. He flies across the starlit sky with gifts that sparkle passing by. He laughs ho ho, so big and clear, spreading magic far and near.